Hi guys, let us get into the Aptitude Tidbits version 6. First question is, a man sold two watches at the same price, one at a 10% profit, the other at a 10% loss. Find the overall gain or loss percentage. This is the question which we discussed in the last video as an exercise. So let us assume selling price is equal to 100. So we assume it as a 100. So one watch at 10% profit. That means what should be the cost price? Okay, so the selling price is 100 rupees at 10% profit means then the cost price plus cost price into 10 percentage, that is equal to the selling price. I think you can understand this equation. That is the 100 rupees is which includes 10% profit also. So that is why I am adding cost price plus cost price into 10%, that is 10 by 100. So that means the right side, if you make a 100 as a common denominator, so it will become 100 CP plus 10 CP, that is 110 CP. This denominator 100, when it comes to left side, 100 into 100, it will become 10,000. So now CP is equal to 10,000 divided by 110, 90.91. That means if the selling price is 100 rupees with a 10% profit means the cost price must have been 90.91 rupee. Other watch for the same price but 10% loss. Then selling price should include the loss also, no? So that means cost price minus cost price into 10%, that is 10 by 100. So we solve the equation again by using the same method. That means the right side we make a 100 as a common denominator, so it will become 100 CP minus 10 CP, which is 90 CP. The denominator 100, when it comes to left side, it will become 100 into 100, 10,000. So 90 CP is equal to 10,000 means cost price is equal to 111.11. That means if the selling price at 100 rupees with the loss of 10 percentage means cost price should be 111.11. So total cost price now, what is that? 111.11 plus 90.91, which is equal to 202.2. What is the total selling price? 200. Then so selling price is 200, total cost price is 202.02. That means the cost price is high. Certainly it is a loss because we are buying at 202.02 but selling at only 200 rupees. So the what is the loss percentage is 2.02 by 200 multiplied by 100 is equal to 1.01 percentage loss. Next question is, a towel when bleached lost its 20 percentage of length and 10 percentage of its breadth. Find the percentage loss in area. So what is the formula for area? That is towel in rectangle shape. So what is the formula for area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So after reduction, what happened to that? So it lost 20 percentage of length and 10 percentage of its breadth. So area formula is length into breadth minus. So if it lost 20 percentage length means what is the remaining length? 80 by 100 into L. Like that, it lost 10 percentage of its breadth means remaining breadth is 90 by 100 into breadth. So if you multiply that 80 into 90, you will get 7,200. Denominator 100 into 100, it will become 10,000. So LB minus 7,200 by 10,000 LB. So if you simplify that, it will become LB minus 18 by 25 LB, which is equal to 7 by 25 LB by simplifying the equation. So what is the percentage now? So initially it was LB. After that it has become 7 by 25 into LB. So by applying this formula, that means find the percentage of uh, loss in the area. So we got 28%. Now the third question is, which number replaces the question mark? So can you try what is a pattern observed here? This is a simple pattern in this question actually. So what they have done is, by adding the first two, they are putting the third one. That is 3 plus 1, 4, 7 plus 2, 9. So automatically 1 plus 5, the question mark will be replaced by 6. Gavaskar average in first 50 innings was 50. After the 51st innings, the average was 51. How many runs he made in the 51st innings? So average for first 50 innings is 50. That means average of 50 innings is 50, means what is the total score he must have scored in 50 innings? It is 50 into 50, 2500. Then only you will get average value 50. So after 51 innings, average becomes 51. That means what should be the score now? 51 into 51, 2601. So what is the difference now? 2601 minus 2500, it is 101. So the run scored in 51st innings is 101. So this is a question for thought. Look at the series 80, 10, 70, 15, 60. What number should come next? So you will see the solution in the next video.